and this complete table is very important for all of the competitive exams. So we'll see it in a very short way. So first is the gamma phase. Gamma phase component is silver and tin. So what does this first phase do? It is the strongest phase of all the phases. Okay. Next is gamma 1 phase. What does gamma 1 phase do? It increases the resistance to tarnish and corrosion. Next is gamma 2 phase. What does gamma 2 phase do? It is the weakest phase of all the phases. Weakest phase. What is the strongest phase? Gamma phase. What is the weakest phase? Gamma 2 phase. What is the component of gamma 2 phase? It is tin and mercury. Okay. And what does it do other than it decreased resistance. Decreased resistance to tarnish and corrosion. What increased resistance to tarnish corrosion? Gamma 1 phase. Okay, gamma 2 phase, what do? Decrease resistance. Next is eta phase. Eta phase component is copper and tin. Okay, eta phase, what does eta phase do? It replaces gamma 2 phase in high copper amalgams. High copper amalgams. Next is the last phase and it is epsilon phase. Its component is copper and tin. What does this phase do? This phase occurs in some high copper single composition alloys. Single composition alloys. Okay, so we have done with all the phases and questions are asked on all the phases. Strongest phase, strongest phase, gamma phase, increased resistance to tarnish and corrosion, gamma 1 phase. Weakest phase is gamma 2 phase. Replaces gamma 2 phase in high copper amalgam is eta phase. And this phase, this is epsilon phase. This phase occurs in some high copper single composition alloys. Okay, so this is the latest question in the previous year exams.